Hi soulmates, you're welcome back to today's class. In our today's class, we will learn how to take measurements for a deep neckline bustier, part 1. So the first thing to talk about here is our shoulder line measurements. You place your measurement tape this way. You can see we have 15.5 inches. Okay, so when you are done, we have to find our shoulder to our bust. That's our straight and round measurement, horizontal and vertical. So the straight measurement will be find our shoulder to our nipple point, okay, shoulder to the under bust, shoulder to our high waist, shoulder to the low waist or your blouse length. Okay, so when you are done, the next measurement that comes to your mind is your bust span. What is bust span? Is distance from one nipple to the other. Yes, distance from one nipple point to the other. They will actually have formula for this, but just to avoid long video, we'll just be doing it manually, you can say. Manual also have a lot of advantage because we have different body figure. Yes, so formula does not actually give you 100%. Have that in mind as a beginner. So when you are done, the next thing to talk about is your bust circumference. That is your bust round measurement. And when placing your measurement, please place it on the first part of your bust. Okay, do not place on your upper chest or under bust. That is why it's called bust circumference. So when you are done, high waist circumference. I don't take my under bust circumference. For those that you follow me, you should know this. So the next part is your low waist circumference. So let's quickly do that. Place a measurement tape to the nipple point here. Sorry, we have 9.5. So under bust we have 13 under bust. Okay, so the high waist is 16.5. okay, so you can easily write it down. So make it fun, let your measurement section be fun. Okay, so you can see if my workers are not around, I can easily write it down. Okay, the next measurement, sorry, is to the low waist. The low waist is 21 inches, your low waist. Okay, so write it down. Let your measurement section be fun with your clients. No pressure, no war. So when you are done, we have to find our bust span, which I said earlier is the distance from one nipple point to the other. So you place your measurement tape this way. Okay, it's 7 inches. Okay, so the next thing is to find our bust circumference. That is the round measurement, the high waist round measurement, the low waist. The same here, the same here, and the same here. Okay, so to find your bust circumference, you place your measurement tape this way. It should be a finger in, and let your measurement tape be on the first part of your boot. Okay, first part of your boot. Okay, so place your measurement tape. You can see a finger in here, but please make sure you check to make sure that your measurement tape is not on the high waist at the back. Your measurement tape should be on the chest line. This is what I mean. You can see that I've adjusted now on the chest line, sorry, like so. You can see your measurement tape should be placed on the chest line. Yes, on your chest line. So the high waist circumference, a finger in, basic measurements. Okay, so it's a finger in, is 27 inches. Then you find your low waist circumference. That is round low waist measurement is 37 inches because your blouse shouldn't be under pressure on your low waistline. Take note of that. So for the neck width and neck depth is optional. Okay, you know it's a deep neckline bustier, so it can be wide. That's what I mean. It can be fitted. Okay, so if it's fitted one, just place a measurement tape this way. If you have watched the bodysuit measurement section, you understand this part. You place your tape here to find your neck width and to find your neck depth. Okay, you can see neck width and your neck depth. So now let's talk about the deep neckline. So the deep neckline, though I will be giving detailed explanation as well during the pattern drafting section, but I just have to quickly explain this here. When it comes to deep neckline bustier, especially if you are working with two nets, yeah, let me use that word for beginners to understand very well. So you should consider what should be the space in between your boobs, in between your busts. Okay, so if you know you want your net to show with total of 1 inch, you know it stretches. While drafting, will be placing 0.5 inch, that is an half inch in between our bust area. You can see this is center front. You can see. So by the time we place it, no pattern will be into fold. It will be half. By the time we unfold our pattern, it will be total of 1 inch. So your deep neckline will be from shoulder, sorry, neck depth to your high waistline. It's optional, okay? But we're working with a bust line. because I will definitely rock my deep neckline bustier. I love you all. So stay tuned for part 2. For those that are new here, I am Chi Living Signature. And if you are interested in our offline class, DM to join our September section. And if you're also interested in our paid online classes, DM as well, or you contact us with the number you see here. They will not be visible because the contract is down. Okay, so I'm Chi Living Signature. So for more sewing tutorials like this, sewing tips, go to YouTube, search for Chi Living Signature. I love you all. God bless you all. Bye.